Alright guys, in this video we are going to take a look at how to do the slow motion correctly inside Adobe Premiere, right? So you can see a video clip I have in my timeline, so it's normally playing at 100%, so that's the normal speed. So we want to make this slow motion, right? So the first thing is, if you want to do slow motion thing, it is highly recommended to shoot the videos with higher frame rate. By doing that, you can get a very smooth result, right? Normally, if you can shoot 60 frames per second or even higher frame rate, that would be great. By doing that, we can get a very smooth result. But if you didn't do that, we can still get a smooth result with Premiere optical flow technique, right? So in order to make this video slow motion, just select the clip and press Ctrl R. So it will bring up the clip speed and duration dialog box, and you can see the current speed is 100%. So we want to make it to 30% slower, right? So I'll type 30%, and the most important fact is in this time interpolation dialog box, you should go for optical flow, right? So there are two other methods, but optical flow is the best method that we can get a very smooth result, no matter whether you shoot at higher frame rate or 30 frames per second. We can get a very smooth result by doing that, but it is always recommended to shoot at higher frame rate. So now I click OK, right? You can see that the clip stretch, but you can see it doesn't play very smoothly. We need to render this effect, so I press enter, right? You can see now the video is rendering in the timeline. So once it finished, we can see the final result. Alright, now it has finished rendering, and you can see that video is playing very smoothly, right? Of course, this video has been shot at 60 frames per second, so it's really smooth, and this is at 30% of the original speed, right? So you can see this is the method that we correctly do slow motion inside Premiere Pro. If you want to get even more slower speed, like 5% or 10%, there is a plugin called Twister. By using that third-party plugin, we can get even smoother result at even slower speed. So if you want to go for that, try that plugin. We'll also plan to do a tutorial on Twister plugin in the future. So thank you so much.